Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video I am doing an intake manifold on my 2003 Jeep TJ. Needs gasket replacement. However, this is an opportunity to show some people who are a novice on the wrench, and this is a video on how to remove the power steering pump off your Jeep 4.0. First thing you gotta do is remove the belt off the pulley. And you gotta need to squeeze a 1/2 inch breaker bar down and below there for the tensioner. Slide her off the pulley, put her aside. It's probably gonna be seized, so most likely you're gonna have to soak it down good. So this is your pressure hose right here. I already soaked it down because most likely it's going to be seized and you're going to have to give it a good tug with the 5/8 wrench on it, and then from here you're going to twist it off. Before you do that, you probably want to get out as much power steering fluid from the unit as you can, and if you have a way to suck it out, that's great. Otherwise you could use a catch can or something, because the return line's right here, which you also have to remove, and that's just held on by a clamp because it's an unpressurized hose. So remove the clamp, pull that out, have a catch can or something below, and then catch all the fluid. Now to remove the power steering pump, you got to utilize the holes in the pulley, because those holes line up to where you got to be. I had to use a torch for this because I lost the original bolt when I did the supercharger install, and the only one I had was the Torx, unfortunately. Which might be a little tricky to get onto. Yeah, watch out for the fan in the process. This is the last bolt, yep. I don't know what was up with that one. Now at this stage, if you're removing the power steering pump, if your lines are disconnected, obviously you would just be able to pull it out. Well, that was quick and dirty. I'm going to end the video there of going through the steps on how to remove your power steering pump from your Jeep 4.0. It could be the same on all 4.0 engines, whether it's in a Cherokee or Jeep, whatever have you not. If it's not, it's probably very darn similar, because there's not a whole lot of changes on those engines if you're picking up but I'm laying down. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. We're going to get that intake manifold out. And I got the later version, 2003, where the headers are wrapped up. So stay tuned for that one.